Barberi Law Firm has been recognized as having some of the top attorneys in Central and Northern Michigan for over 25 years. Joining us this morning to tell us more, we have attorneys Joseph and David Barberi. Thank you both for being here.
Good morning. Our pleasure.
So, Joe, we can start with you. What do you think sets you and your legal team apart from the other firms?
Well, the nice thing is the people that interact with us have said many kind things over the years. 25 years we've been recognized as the #1 law firm in Central Michigan, and whenever that recognition is sent our way, I always accept on behalf of our entire legal team, because we have a unique approach, and that is every case that we take and agree to represent somebody, we always assign a team to it. We don't have just one lawyer. Because the #1 complaint that people have with lawyers is they can't get a hold of them, they don't call them back. That doesn't happen at Barberi Law. We answer phone calls the same day or the next day at the latest, because we have a team approach. We have several people that know what's going on in an individual client's case. So that's one thing that sets us apart, is our team approach.
All right. And David, you, understanding your guys' background, you're not just attorneys, you're also family men. How do those personal roles, would you say, influence the way you advocate for your clients?
Sure. So I think that what's important about our firm is that when you have that personal relationship with clients and you have those same values that they have, it really resonates in how you can handle their case. It allows you to learn their story and to share in their story when somebody's injured, and to advocate on their behalf in the courtroom.
And Joe, you did mention your firm takes a team approach, even sends attorneys to meet clients in their homes. Why do you feel that a personal touch is so important in today's legal world?
Well, when someone's injured, their life has been hugely affected. Not only their life, but often the entire family. When a spouse is injured, typically the primary caregiver is the other spouse. And same thing with when a child is injured. It can be devastating. And so right at the beginning, we try to have an attorney or even two attorneys get involved and stay involved through the entire process. And we go to the homes many times of injured people that can't get out to come to an office. And right away we try to allay some of their concerns, answer questions, and give them a roadmap to follow in order to have a successful outcome in their personal injury case. And having that immediate involvement of a team that stays the same from the beginning to the end kind of distinguishes us from some of the different law firms around the state, because a lot of the larger law firms tend to have different phases. They might have paraprofessionals that get involved in investigating a case and then trying to negotiate a claim, and they don't really even get an attorney involved until towards the end if it looks like that it might go towards litigation. We don't do that. We have attorneys involved right from the beginning, and the same attorneys stay with the client all the way through the case. That kind of distinguishes us from how we go about resolving personal injury cases.
Yeah, very hands-on personal touch.
Right there. Yep.
All right. And David, finally, for someone who might be hesitant to call an attorney, what would you say to reassure them, and why should they consider calling Barberi Law first?
That's a great question. So I think it's important to understand that when you get into an accident or when you've been injured, it's important to have somebody that's advocating on your side, somebody that knows the law, somebody that's willing to fight for your rights and to try to help you get back to where you were before you were injured. A lot of times people feel like you need to call a major metropolitan law firm to get good results, and the reality is that isn't the case. A smaller boutique law firm is able to have a more intimate relationship and a more personal touch with their clients and really know their story and be able to advocate on their behalf.
All right. Well, thank you guys for giving us more information. Joe, David, thank you for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Of course.
Our pleasure.
You can always find more information as well on our website. Just click on the hot links section on WNEM.com.